Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious spicy pepper fish. For this recipe I'm gonna be using mackerel fish, but you can use any fish of your choice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to trim, cut and clean the fish. Mackerel fish is a very common fish that can be found anywhere basically. It is delicious, easy to clean because it doesn't have scales. Whenever I make this recipe, I like to cut my fish into smaller sizes because after you fry the fish is gonna be crunchy and the size is very perfect for the pepper sauce. But feel free to cut your fish to whatever size you prefer. When I'm done cutting the fish, I'm gonna remove the guts and wash them. The guts are very easy to remove and clean. Just push them out and they'll come out easily. And I don't think the guts are edible. Maybe some people eat them, but I don't know. I don't think they taste good, except it has eggs. You can save the eggs and get rid of the other parts that are not edible. So this is how you clean it. Very easy. The gills are a little bit challenging to remove but not very hard, especially when they are frozen. But when they are not frozen, you can remove them easily. And if you are having a problem removing it with your hand, you can use a knife. So if this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. And don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms. Thank you. Let me also use this time to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. When I'm done, I'm gonna let them drain and air dry while I season with onion powder. You can also use garlic if you want. Some salt, add salt to taste. And some Cameroon pepper because it is very spicy and we are making spicy fish anyway. So I'm just gonna rub everything in so that the fish will be well seasoned. When I'm done, I'm gonna let the fish marinate and air dry for about 30 minutes to an hour. And when I'm ready, I'm gonna heat up some oil and fry the fish. The oil is nice and hot. I'm gonna start frying the fish. So I'm frying the fish on medium heat. So I'm just gonna let the fish fry on one side for 5 minutes, not touching or disturbing it. Then flip them onto the other side for another 5 minutes. Not letting the fish fry properly on one side before flipping it will lead to the fish breakdown. And that is the mistake a lot of people make when frying fish, because if you don't let the fish fry properly on one side and you attempt to flip the fish will start falling apart. After frying the fish on both sides, I'm gonna flip them for the last time to the first side and fry them until they are dry and crispy. You can also flip the fish back and forth until they are properly fried. So when the fish is ready, I'm gonna remove them and let them drain on a paper towel. Then continue with the next batch until I'm done. I'm gonna finish frying all the fish before I move to the pepper sauce because I want to use the same oil to fry the pepper sauce. It is gonna intensify the flavor of the pepper sauce. While the last batch is frying, this is a good time to prep the veggies for the pepper sauce. But before then, let us listen to the crunch of the fish. For the pepper sauce, I'm gonna be using a mixture of habanero and scotch bonnet peppers, 2 bell peppers, and 1 large onion. I'm just gonna wash and cut them into little chunks for easy blending. I will not be adding water, but feel free to add water if you think your blade will not move. I'm just gonna give it a rough blend in between rough and smooth, but feel free to blend it to any texture of your choice. Because I'm not gonna be using all the oil from the fried fish, so I'm just gonna pour in the amount that I need into the saucepan, heat it up a little bit, then add in the pepper blend. You can use any spices of your choice, but these are the ones that I'm gonna be using. I'm using 2 seasoning cubes, salt to taste, garlic powder, ground ginger, and curry powder. So I'm just gonna mix everything to combine. This is a continuous process of frequent stirring, because if you do not stir it frequently, it might burn. Except you want to cook it on a low heat, you can stir it less often, but if you are cooking it on medium to high heat, you have to stir frequently so that it doesn't burn. But I'm cooking on medium heat right now. So because I'm cooking on medium heat, I normally stir it every 4 to 5 minutes. But if you are cooking on a high heat, you have to stir it more frequently, and on a low heat, you stir less frequently. Once your sauce looks like this, it is ready, it is done. But as a correct worry babe, I'm gonna fry it some more because we like well fried stew or sauce. I'm just gonna taste for salt and add as needed. If you want your sauce or stew to be tastier, fry it for a longer time, taste it, and you're gonna see the difference. So I fried the sauce for about an hour. After frying it to my satisfaction, it is time to add the fish. So I'm just gonna add the fish and cook it for about 5 more minutes. This will allow the sauce to permeate the fish. The sauce already has the flavor of the fish through the oil. This pepper sauce tastes so amazing, very spicy and delicious. The spiciness from the sauce, the crunchiness and deliciousness of the fish takes it to another level of deliciousness. It is out of this world delicious. This is what I call spicy and delicious goodness. You can even enjoy this with white rice, yam, but I'm gonna be enjoying mine with moi moi. So in case you like spicy food and you want to make pepper sauce and fish, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you will not be disappointed. You're gonna love it. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.